In this video, I'm going to give an introduction to Databricks for beginners. This is the first part in a longer series, which will include theory and hands-on demos for you to follow along. First, I'm going to start by briefly explaining what Databricks is and why it's useful. Then we will talk briefly about how Databricks is used by data engineers, data scientists, and data analysts. So let's get started. So what is Databricks? Databricks was founded in 2013 by the founders of Apache Spark. It is a web-based cloud platform that uses Spark and notebooks with compute clusters on large amounts of data. It also combines functionality of a data warehouse and a data lake. Often, it's used for data storage, data processing, machine learning, analytics, and business intelligence. The platform is available across the three popular cloud providers: Microsoft's Azure, Google Cloud Provider, and Amazon's AWS. Databricks integrates well with the tech stack of each of these providers, allowing users to build end-to-end machine learning and ETL workflows in an existing environment. Databricks is also pay-as-you-go. Users are charged by the services, clusters, and the amount of data that they use. So why is Databricks so useful? Well, there's 4 reasons: familiarity, flexibility, collaboration, and useful integrations. Familiarity. Notebooks are very familiar to data science professionals. Databricks notebooks are similar to Jupyter Notebook. Each code block is run cell by cell from beginning to end. Databricks notebooks do have a few unique notebook features. It records notebooks changes, which is very useful if you want to correct mistakes. And it also has Spark and popular machine learning libraries preloaded. Flexibility. You can easily switch between languages. A user can write in PySpark and Spark SQL, Spark, as well as R, Python, and Scala, all in the same notebook. Also, existing Python, Jupyter Notebook, R, and SQL files can be uploaded and turned into Databricks notebooks. Even zip, README, and HTML format can be uploaded. Notebooks can be run with a compute cluster, which allows scalability and efficiency. Collaboration. Pair programming is possible on one or more notebooks, allowing easy collaboration. This speeds up workflow and decreases development time. GitHub repositories can also be connected to Databricks, allowing version control of one or more notebooks. Changes can be pushed or pulled to repositories, and pull requests can be made within the platform itself. Useful integrations. These include MLflow, a popular experiment tracking tool, and Delta Lake, an open source storage layer. In MLflow, users can track ML model metrics, version, and deploy to development, staging, or production environments. Delta Lake lets users version their tables, letting them view or restore previous table versions. It's also very useful for storing metadata about the tables. So how do different roles use Databricks? Data engineers use it to create utilities, data models, and do transformations. They often use Databricks with orchestration tools such as Data Factory or dbt. Stored data can be then loaded into database, a data warehouse, or used in applications outside Databricks. Data engineers often use the built-in API, which allows them to connect data in Databricks to Tableau Server, Synapse, etc. Data scientists can use Databricks to build machine learning models, track experiments, and deploy to production. Model building is done through machine learning libraries such as sklearn, SparkML, or even using AutoML. Experiment tracking and model deployment can be done through MLflow. Models can be tested, versioned, and deployed, all in Databricks. Data analysts can use the platform for complex analysis. The cloud environment allows them to analyze and query large amounts of data. Spark SQL queries in Databricks can automatically visualize data without needing extra tools. Data can also be downloaded directly from cells if the analyst wants to work in Excel. Congratulations, you made it to the end. I hope you learned a little bit about how Databricks is and how it's useful for data science teams. Databricks is a complex tool, so it may take time to master and find different ways to use it. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I will talk about how to set up your Databricks workspace. See you then.